All right, what's up, Svelters? Today we have a full body dumbbell workout. I'm using 5 pounds here. If you want to use something smaller, if you want to go for something bigger, definitely welcome to do that. We'll walk through the movements first, and then we'll do the whole thing all together. All right, starting for your full body dumbbell workout, we have weighted squats. So again, these are 5 pounds. If you want more, that's fine. Less, that's fine too. We're gonna do 10 of each of these things. And so we'll start with those weighted squats. You wanna bring your legs nice and wide. Feet are a little bit angled out. You can have your weights up here or down by your sides, and you're gonna do 10 squats. So make sure when you're squatting that you're putting your weight in your heels, you're pushing your seat backwards, and that you're really sitting back into that squat. If you wanna have your weights down, you can do that too. From there, we're gonna do an upright row. So I'll turn to the side for that. Feet are shoulder width apart, 10 of these. You're gonna hinge forward at your waist slightly so your back is flat. Send your arms forward, your arms are straight, and you're just gonna row. So think forward and then pull back. You wanna keep your arms narrow for that. From there, we're gonna go right into a deadlift. So if you haven't done any of Mare's RDLs or Russian deadlifts, this is going to be like one of those. I'll do one first from the front. So essentially you wanna trace from your knees to your ankles. So pressing your seat backwards, just tracing along the shins. You'll do 10 of those nice, and they're a little bit slower. I'll show you from the side, just shifting the seat back. And then after those deadlifts, we're going to do a side bend for the obliques. So we'll go down, slow 3 and up 1. So down, 2, 3, and lift up 1. We'll do 10 total, so 5 on each side. And then after you do right side and left side, we'll do standing tricep kickbacks. So those are just like they sound. I'll turn to the side for these. Again, hinging forward with that flat back, never locking out your knees. Bring your arms forward, bend at a 90-degree angle, and just kick back. So you wanna send your arms straight behind you. Really great for the triceps. And last but not least, we have reversed weighted lunges. So weights can be up here or down by your side. For extra balance, I would say keep your arms by your sides for this one. You're going to do a reverse lunge, and we're gonna alternate side to side for those. So 10 on each leg, 20 total. We'll do right first and then left. And that is your full body dumbbell workout. Let's do the whole thing all out. All right, time to hit that full body dumbbell workout, starting with those weighted squats. We got 10, taking from the top, ready and go. Remember, if you want, you can always have your hands by your sides down here. If that's easier for you, weight in your heels, pressing your seat back. One more. Awesome job. Right into those upright rows. Feet are hip width apart. Arms are forward parallel and pull back. You want your arms parallel the whole time. So think punch forward and pull backwards. You want to draw your elbows back. One more. And go ahead and stand it up. And then from there, we're going right into those deadlifts. So bring your feet a little bit wider than your hips. Your weights are gonna be down for this one. And tracing from your knees to your toes. Press your hips backward and trace to your toes up through your knees. So these are nice and slow. Remember, you wanna press your seat towards the back. So make sure you have a nice flat back here. Think about pushing your butt backwards. You got 2 more. Last one. Shake it out. From that deadlift, we're gonna go into those side bends. So 5 on the right side. Remember, down, slow, 3, up 1. So right side, go down, 2, 3, up 1. Think going towards your knee. You're trying to tap your knee if you can, but really pulling in that oblique. Last one. And left side this time. So down, think down, 2, 3, up one. Really pull your oblique in towards the opposite side. So pull your oblique in towards this side. And you want to get that nice side crunch here. Last one. And from there, take it to a standing tricep kickback. So 10 of these. Remember, soften your knees and bring your arms forward at 90 degrees. Your weights are facing up, numbers facing up, and tricep kickbacks. Straight. Send those arms straight back. If you need to lose the weights at any time, you can always do so. Remember, our form comes before the weights. Last one. And go ahead and stand it up. Last one, reverse weighted lunges. So if you want, you can keep those weights up here. If not, you can keep them down by your sides. Reverse weighted lunges, step back and up. We're gonna start with that back right leg first. And if you need, you can always work a little bit higher here. If you don't want to take that lunge down as low, work up a little higher. That's a good modification. Another thing you can do is just step your back foot a little closer to your front. So make this stance a little more narrow. So keep going here. We got 10 total on this leg. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And I'll switch it out for you guys. Take it onto the left side. I'll do the weights up here just to show you the alternative. Remember, you can do either way. We got 10 total. This is your last movement, so you want to make this your best, okay? Stay with me. Almost there. Last one. And you are done. That was your full body workout, full body dumbbell workout. You nailed that. If you liked what you just saw, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like our channel, and check out all those other workouts we have for you.